Indeed, as we have a wide variety of living labs, of types of living labs, it is also necessary to understand that even if they may differ one from the other, they also have common elements, common characteristics that are called actually main building blocks, and that are the characteristics that makes living labs what they really are. So let's see if I can change the slide finally. Okay, so these are the 6 main building blocks of living labs: co-creation, real-life setting, multi-method approach, orchestration, multi-stakeholder participation, and active user involvement. As you can see, this is what we have in the official description, in the official definition of living labs. All these characteristics, all these blocks are included there. But let's see in detail what they mean. So let's start with orchestration. So the living lab operates, as I was saying, as the orchestrator intermediary between the different stakeholders. So it connects and partners up the ecosystem of stakeholders that we include in our living lab. Then multi-stakeholder participation means that taking the holistic view on society, so the overall areas of interest, areas of expertise, sectors included in a society, the living lab involves stakeholders from the quadruple helix, so from each part, each sector. Then co-creation is when, after including all the different stakeholders from the quadruple helix in your living lab plan, you start co-create values and solutions with them. Indeed, here in the living lab approach and methodology, values are not only designed for stakeholders, but are co-created with them. So as I was saying, this ensures an higher adoption at the end because such values includes the interests of the different stakeholders. The real-life settings, it's because living labs operate in real-life environments. So they will not bring users to specific settings, real-life settings, but will decide to work on the environments where the users that you decide to involve are set. So we move our living lab, our innovation, our strategies to the different peculiarity of the stakeholders' environments. Then the active user involvement implies that we want to involve stakeholders, we want to involve users, but we want to do that in an active way. So we want to have them in all our relevant activities and be sure that we get their feedback and implement what they suggest for the success, yes, of our living lab, but also to ensure the sustainability over time and the replicability of solutions. And finally, the multi-method approach, which means that each living lab activity, it's about problems and how to resolve issues. So the methodological approach toward every activity in your living lab will be based on the outcomes that that activity can bring to. So we need to understand which kind of activities we need to arrive to a certain goal and which kind of stakeholders to include to reach to that goal. And these actually were all for